Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last few videos, we learned how to do traversal of a binary tree in a array implementation, whereby we saw there are four ways in which we can traverse a binary tree, that is in order, pre-order, post-order and level order. Hope all of those four concepts are clear. Now in this video, let's see how we can delete a node from a binary tree which is implemented in an array. Now when we are trying to delete a node from a binary tree, there can be two situations. That is, the value that we want to delete does not exist in the tree. The second option can be the value exists in the tree and we want to delete it. So of course, if the value does not exist in the tree, then there is no question of deleting. So we simply return a error message saying that the value does not exist in the tree. But in case the value exists in the tree, then we have to do some very simple steps. Now what is those steps? Let's see. So let's say we want to delete number 3 from this tree. Now as we have already seen in linked list implementation, we cannot directly delete this node because there are other nodes which are dependent on it. So what we do is we find the deepest node, replace the value of deepest node over here, and then we delete the deepest node. Now what is the deepest node in this tree? It is 222. Now all that we have to do is we have to replace this 222 value from there, put it over here, so this becomes 222. And now we can safely delete this node over here. Now since this is an array implementation, it is very simple to do this operation. All that we have to do is we have to start from the first cell, keep traversing towards right until we reach the cell number from which we want to delete. So in this case, we want to delete this number 3. So this is step 1 where we have identified that cell number 3 is the one that we need to be deleted. Now next what we have to do is we have to go to the last cell and identify it that this is the deepest cell. So 222 is the deepest cell. Now what we do is we replace this value 222 from here and we change it to 222. Now all that we have to do is we have to update our last used index and make it as 7 instead of 8. So that will make sure that 8 is automatically deleted and 3 is having the new value which is 222. So that's all we have to do to delete a node from binary tree. Now let's take one more example. Let's say we want to delete number 100. So how do we do that? We start searching from the first cell, go towards right till we reach the cell that we want to delete. In this case, cell number 2 is the one that we want to delete. Now step 2 is we go to the last used index, which is 8 in this case, and this is the deepest node in this tree. So we update this second cell's value with 222. Now the third step is we have to update last used index and make it 7, so that we know that the last used index now is 35 and not 222. So I hope you have understood how to delete a node from a binary tree. Now let's see how does the algorithm for this looks like. So the algorithm is very simple. It first searches for the desired value in the array. If the value is found, then replace this value with last cell's value and update last used index. Else, if it does not find a value, it returns an error message. Fine. Now let's see what is the time and space complexity of this algorithm. So searching for the desired value in the array will take order of n time, because in the worst case we might be deleting a value which is towards extreme last. If the value is found, in that case we have to replace the value with the last used index. So both of them is a constant time operation. Now in case the value is not found, we return an error message which is again a constant time operation. Now if we add up all of this, we get time complexity order of n. Space complexity will be order of 1 because we are just using some temporary variables here and there, nothing more than that. Fine. So I hope you have understood how to delete a node from binary tree. Now in the next video, let's see how to delete the entire binary tree of a array implementation. So let's see that in the next video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.